Good morning, all my beautiful subbies. How y'all doing today? Let's get it started. Let's get it started right now. Today is a good day. Today is a marvelous day. Today is a good day to love on yourself, take care of yourself, pamper yourself, eat healthy. Just get it going, y'all. Just get everything going from the inside out, okay? Then you will learn how to love, okay? We're going to get it started. But guess what? Today is a great day. Today is going to be a good day. Got to speak those words of affirmation, guys. You have to. You have to. So anyway, guys, I'm just going to recap from yesterday. I'm going to turn this camera around and show y'all some stuff. But for all of you people, everybody who's here, everybody that is new here on the channel, I want you to go back I'm not even going to say a long time ago, maybe 3 years ago, from the beginning to now. And just watch a few videos so you can understand me, get to know me, all that great stuff. Because guess what? Her channel is called Simply Natural Black Life, right? She's natural about everything. And she lives as simple as possible. So most of you guys know that, some of you don't. But for the people who are new, I just wanted to say that. So guys, first of all, I'm going to get these kids. Look at this. They had this inside the plant there, just sitting there like it was down at the bottom, like a leaf growing. No, you just stuck this in there because y'all broke it. But it's cool, but it better not get done again. So guys, I'm working on some things. The shelf is gone. That is gone. We did that yesterday. It's gone. Took to the church. I'm trying to think what else did. Oh, took a pillow to the church. So for all of y'all that are new, and for y'all old people, do y'all remember when I had the wall that had the photo prints of fabric, different fabrics inside of frames? So since I can't fit my mom's frame inside that photo, I was going to get rid of this, right? I'm not going to get rid of it because I only have one pillow like this, and it's in here, and I'll show you the basket. I'm going to keep this one, and I'm going to put this one in the frame because it fits. So that's what I'm going to do with that. And what else did I want to talk to you guys about? Oh, I'm going to show y'all the table. Okay? There is the table, y'all. Ain't she pretty? Ain't she pretty? Y'all let me know in the comments. What do y'all really think? Because remember, I think I told y'all, oh, I got to have this tray on the ottoman and all that great stuff. Now, don't get me wrong. If I come, I keep not being in the lens of the camera. If I come across one, then yes, she will get it. But for now, I like it plain. I like it y'all, just like this. I really, really do. I think it looks really good, just like it is. So, yeah, if I come across, she will get, especially for the right price. If not, she ain't gonna worry about it. So y'all, yeah, here's the table. Y'all, I always know every time we went into that spot, that's what I try to put on the screen, that I had been eyeballing these for the longest. And to be honest, if I get another one for $5, because I didn't know they do that. This is what they told us yesterday. They told us that any piece of furniture that you find that's on the floor is $5 if it don't have a tag. So I said, that's fine. And I'm thinking, like, how come they never said that before? But maybe it wasn't the time, or it wasn't the day. When things like that happen for me, it happens when it's supposed to happen. That's how I look at everything. I look at life like that if it's for you, you're going to get it then when it's the time. So yeah, guys, I'm so happy about that, but it turned out beautiful. It turned out beautiful. I put the tray here, which I'm going to keep in here because it's wood. I even bought this tree thing in here just for now. I can always move it. And then I put my decorative book here that I scored from the Savers. I put that there. So guys, are y'all ready? Boom. There is no more. No more. No more. So guess what, y'all? We're going to get prepared for the TV. Do y'all see how stuff is happening and how it's coming together? Like, without even asking for it, it's coming. So basically, the thing is, now that this is gone, we didn't know that was going to happen like that. Nobody knew that. Nobody knew I was going to find no shelves, okay? Nobody knew that. So when the TV comes, all we have to do is move the TV center right there, and that's it. And it's going to be a bigger TV. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I'm super grateful and happy. So guys, here is the shelf. Isn't it pretty? Here is the shelf, and that's how it came out right now. So I have to work on putting the decor up. So this shelf here, you guys remember, I think I showed you, we was still looking for one, couldn't find it. So hopefully tomorrow, I'm supposed to go with a friend tomorrow to another one. Hopefully I can find this. But I think we're going to still try to get it up there just so it can sit here. But that's how it looks, guys. And it was perfect. I even asked MJ, I said, what do you think? He said right here. So we went with it, got him to hang it up. And I'm just going to put the decor. I think it's beautiful, guys. So all the little stuff is here, not much. And I did bring this back in here. And here is the pillow. I'm just going to keep it here. Super soft. When I took that stuff out, that Magnolia Home pillow, it had some linen cotton stuff in here. So I put it in that one. So that's the one we're going to keep. So yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think about the shelf. Isn't it cute? And look, just the wood and stuff. It's just so pretty. It looks so much better. And it ties with every other shelf that I got. And luckily, when the other shelf got put up, we didn't have to use all the screws. So we were blessed to have extra screws. So that's how that one got hung up. So guess what, guys? I'll see you guys a little later. And we're going to finish some things up. All right. Love you guys. And thanks for watching. It's not over yet. It's not over. Don't go. Don't click out because we're not finished. Okay. show y'all something. So just in case we can never find the actual, this here bracket, this is what I was thinking. Just to, because we didn't, on here, we didn't have to use like the anchors that we were going to use. We used the leveler, the black screws, and a pencil. So if we can't, so I'm just thinking, I think this would be nice like this, and we'll have extra support. Just say if we can't, I'm not going to keep waiting to see if I can find it, but, because I'm not going to keep going to no store. But right here on the back is room for 2 screws, and I think I've sent 2 shorter screws. So we can always put 2 shorter screws here, center this in the center on the wall. So it would look like this, and then it will have even weight. And then I can put, this is really not that heavy. I can at least put that on there. And then I can take this, I ended up taking that out the room because it was too much going on. And brought it back in here and put this here. So either way, vice versa, this is what I'm going for. If we can't find the bracket. So everything don't always have to be like identical, always the same. It's good to like throw things off balance a little bit so it catches the eye. So I think this will still be nice, even if I have to go for it like this. And then if I ever come across it, I can always patch the wall up, do it over or whatever. So yeah, that's the look that I was going for. And you know, just in case we can't find the bracket. So guys, I will see you guys later. And like I said, for all of you are new, I'm going to show you in another clip how to put the fabric inside the frames. All right, guys. Hey y'all, I'm over here with baby girl. What we doing? She's trying to.
3, 2, 1. Take a rest.
Take a rest. Come on, do this. Take a rest.
Jumping squats.
What we gotta do the jumping squats?
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Start.
Okay, wait a minute, hold on.
Y'all don't be trying to.
If you feel it's too easy, put your hands behind your head.
My squats.
I am squatting.
Squat that butt. Like this.
I ain't got a squat. Look, I'm good right here.
3, 2, 1.
That hurt, don't it? I was doing it. They say jump, squat.
Alright.
And then I do my arm like that. Like that.
So,
Y'all, she trying real hard.
I just did 14 exercises in 7 minutes and 20 seconds, and I burnt 103 calories. So, I did this 3 times today, y'all. I burnt a total of 302 calories.
Woo!
And I'm trying to do this 4 to 3 days a week. And the other days, do 2 of them, and that's it. So I can get all my workouts in. Y'all, I'm hot and I'm tired.
Y'all, round of applause. Yay! But I can't, y'all had me, so I'm going to throw in a picture of my breakfast I had. Yeah!
I ain't trying to get to my mama size now. I want to get like...
Ain't nothing wrong with your mama, girl. Ain't nothing wrong with
Because how much you weigh? One something, right? I weigh
137.
I weigh like 220, 215. I had gained some weight from November. And I gotta lose some weight.
137.
I done had this fat gut a couple month and a half ago, so
Tell the
I'll
vlog
see
bye.
y'all next summer.
Hey guys, like I promised, we're gonna do this frame before I forget. It's about 5:15-ish. Still on Monday. So this is for all the newbies that don't know how to do that or don't know or never seen it before. I'm gonna show you how. So you know we have our little template in here. We're gonna just take our fabric, try to fit it to size of that, or you can fit it to whatever size you want, you know. As long as it's in there like that. I'm just showing y'all, so I probably can go down. I can go down a little bit more. Like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. This is all so you don't have to use a print or anything of that nature. I'm just showing you guys. Okay, let me see. Wait a minute. Gotta go down a little bit more. It's really simple. Any piece of fabric that you like, any kind of pattern that you like, that you enjoy looking at. I wanted this because it matches, like I said, the pillow. So, yeah. So I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm gonna snap all my things here, these clamps. When they go high, you go higher in love. Yes, that's how we gonna do it over here, y'all. So guess what? It's done. So guys, there you have it. You have your fabric photo. So don't get me wrong, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out right, but I just wanted to show y'all in the meantime, this is what it will look like. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Take some time to love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. And I think I'm going to throw in a clip of the other shelf. Yeah, and that's it, y'all. That's for today, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, when they go high, you go higher in love. I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Peace, y'all. Peace.